Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the exact account or browser profile whose history you want cleared. Once signed in, make sure to back up bookmarks and saved passwords you want to keep. Deletions are permanent. Next, open Settings and go straight to History or Privacy. Do not wander. You're about to remove a record, so confirm which device and account are active. Finally, locate the time range options so you can choose what to delete. This sets the scope of the action. Once the scope is set, select the exact items to remove: browsing history, search entries, cookies, cache, and downloads if needed. For account link searches, go into the account's activity controls and choose Delete Activity by, pick a range or all time. Make sure to include sync devices and clear both device data and account activity so history doesn't reappear. If using multiple browsers, repeat the same steps on each. When ready, confirm the deletion, and now complete the process by signing out of extra devices and turning off sync temporarily so deletions stick. Once done, verify by searching for known past queries and checking the account's activity page. Make sure nothing returns. If history reappears, clear the browser cache and cookies, revoke suspicious app permissions, and reset sync, then repeat the deletion. One quick troubleshooting tip: if items still show, remove the device from the account's list of connected devices before doing another full delete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.